cat-cow is a fantastic warm-up exercise as well as a standalone exercise. It works on total body health and the health of the nervous system by keeping the spine flexible and open. Energetically, cat-cow works to purify and balance the central channel of the spine, the Shushmana, for the Kundalini to flow and energy to move. To get into cat-cow, we come up onto our hands and knees. The knees are about 2 fists apart. Palms are flat on the floor. Arms are straight. Sides of the feet can be together. And we begin by inhaling, flexing the spine towards the floor. Head comes up. Exhaling as the spine comes up towards the sky and the chin comes towards the chest. Eyes are closed, focused up and into the third eye, focusing the mind. And if we like, we can begin inhaling Sat, mentally vibrating, exhaling Nam. Inhaling Sat, exhaling Nam. In just a couple minutes of cat-cow, you can absolutely feel the shift in your energy. Your system will be more open and you will experience more mental clarity. 3 minutes of cat-cow helps balance the glandular system, and you can continue for 7-11 minutes as you wish.